What are the 5 most fastest wind speed Atlantic hurricanes on record? Number 5, Hurricane Dorian 2019 with winds of 185 miles per hour and kilometers per hour 295. Number 4, Hurricane Wilma in 2005, 185 miles per hour and 295 kilometers per hour. And Hurricane Wilma was the most intense hurricane ever. Number 3, Hurricane Gilbert in 1988 with wind speeds of 185 miles per hour and 295 kilometers per hour. Number 2, the Labor Day Hurricane, 1993, with wind speeds of 185 miles per hour and 295 kilometers per hour. And number 1, the moment y'all been waiting for, Hurricane Allen in 1980, with wind speeds of 190 miles per hour and 305 kilometers per hour. And that's the